Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this Mr. P, the stuff is this. I was actually just moving, so I just had to stop. So usually I don't like recording videos outside, but I just had to stop to actually record this particular stuff now. So I actually just saw this formation, so I wouldn't want to like take so much time. So I actually just saw this formation and the rest on Crash 500. So I was like, okay, let's actually just try going into this particular stuff right now. Remember guys, I said from on the 21st of December through to on the 28th, the market will be really crazy, right? I dropped just a video also recently, right? I dropped a video just recently as regards Crash 500 move, as regards volatility 75 movements also, right? So now I'll actually just show you this particular stuff now, how Crash 500 is about to drop crazily again, right? How it's about to drop on a crazy spike. Now after it has hit those regions, I will try dropping the buy signal also, right, on the Telegram group just like that. So let's check it out now guys. So guys, so this actually how the formation actually looks like. So I actually noticed this very smooth formation right at about the spot. So that this particular stuff actually pushed from okay, let me actually show you where that actually pushed from. So this actually pushed from the spot, right? So after getting to the spot, pushed to the spot, and then created that spot as a support. So of course we are looking at the spot in the future to actually catch some nice sales. But what we're actually looking for now is actually this. So this particular stuff actually pushed down, broke this particular spot again. This my support at this particular spot, and then started dropping down to this spot. Now it dropped down to this spot and then created a resistance at about the spot, right? Now after that we actually noticed a nice movement to at about the spot here. Now what we're actually having here is this. Now we're actually having that this guy is just going to keep playing around the spot, right? He's just going to keep playing around the spot like this, right? After which what it should do is break the spot, then push up to this particular region which I just showed you. Now it's actually so easy. It's actually so easy like that. Now if you actually check it on a kind of like wider like this, you should actually see it. There's actually really nothing difficult here. So what I actually noticed now is that it was supposed to break the spot and then push up, but it didn't. So what I'm expecting this guy to do is to possibly drop down to at about the spot, right? So it drops down to this particular range. Why? Because there's an internal resistance around the spot. Now those that actually went through my mentorship class, they actually understood what I mean. They actually understood what I mean instantly. But if in case you've not gone through my mentorship class, it's easy. It's easy. Now there's actually what I call a nice support around the spot, and then it broke through it and then created it yet again, which is supposed to be a resistance now, but it's actually still support. Now when you combine these two all of these guys together, that's where my internal resistance comes into play. So what I'm expecting this guy to do majorly is to come back, hit the spot before trying back up again. So the next time after hitting the spot, the next time it tries, it might break it successfully this time and gets to the upper level which I just showed you, right? So for the now, let's actually just take some buys, some sells now, right? So if I go my 5 minutes time frame, I should be having something like that. This doesn't really look like it wants to drop down, but that's exactly what it wants to do. So I know this guy is going to spike now. So what I would just cool now, it actually spiked already now. So if I actually checked on my 5 minutes time frame, you should actually notice it already. So it actually pushed already down. So the funny thing is people will be like, okay, cool, maybe I should close now, but I won't do that because I know it's just going to keep dropping down. Cool. Now so my margin now is like 101, so that's okay. I can just simply wait now and actually just see this particular stuff. Now what this particular stuff should actually do is just push down again, and that's what it should keep doing. It should just keep dropping down just like that. So there's practically nothing difficult here, so I will just wait for you to give a few more spikes and we'll continue.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so after a while, this is actually what we're having. So it's actually literally just pushed down again. So after that, it actually just gave some bars here, right? Actually just gave some bars. Then after that, it just pushed down just like that. Now if I actually come to this place, I'm actually having a 92 or so. Now I don't want this video to be so long, but I'll be holding this trade for the next for at least the next 1-2 hours again, because I'm actually expecting it to keep dropping down. If you can actually see it yourself, you notice it just started.
A few moments later.
Few minutes I actually came back and this happened. So we're actually having over 200 bucks currently on this particular spot. So we're actually having roughly like 1.6 on our equity currently. So if you actually notice, this particular stuff actually just kept dropping down just like that. Now remember, I actually had to add more trades at this particular spot because I didn't want to I wanted to use a maximum margin of like 100 bucks just like that. So currently that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. So we should actually be expecting this guy to actually hit the level. Just like I told you, it actually hits the level that I actually told you. So after hitting the level, it started pushing up like this to go and try again if it can actually push up above this stuff. And then if it pushes up above this, then we actually know the next level that it's actually going to. Just like that, guys.
A few moments later.
Guys, so after a few hours, I actually just came back to check out the trade, and this is exactly what I'm having. So remember, I was actually using a maximum margin of 100 there, and yeah. So if I actually just go back now on my 1 minute time frame, I can't track it anymore. So let me check my 5 minutes time frame. So it's kind of like visible on my 5 minutes time frame, but let me just check on my 15 better. Now, so we actually went into this trade at about this spot or so. First at about this spot or so, right? Went into this trade, and then it spiked instantly middle as I entered the trade, and so I had to add more trades to this particular stop. So after a few hours or so, the particular stuff actually just continued, just pushed back up to retest this part and just kept dropping down just like this. So basically that's just how this particular stuff actually goes, guys. Now the thing was this, if you remember, I told you that it should hit this particular spot, right? It should hit this particular spot and then push, try breaking up again. That's try pushing up across this particular spot. But it seems like it didn't do that exactly. Rather, it just kept dropping down like that. The thing is this, guys. Now, when it actually got to at about this spot, when it got to at about this level, I actually thought of maybe like just closing on the raise because it had hit the level. So what I had done then was to actually just check its movement as at its movement also. I actually noticed that it actually gave some nice formations on my 15 minutes time frame, telling me that it might just keep dropping down also. So first of all, what happened now was that it actually came and hit this other level at this spot, right? Where was the level? Yeah, it actually came and hit this particular level there. Right now, after hitting this level, I literally gave a buy signal on the Telegram group there. So I actually gave a buy signal when it actually hits this particular level. Now, when it hit this level, we actually caught the nice buy between that spot towards around this range or so. So we actually caught a nice buy towards that range. So I already received so many screenshots of people that actually made so much from that. So after that, it actually just kept pushing down again, touched that spot and kept pushing down also. So it was because of that I never closed the trade, because this chart can actually just change something like that. So in this case, that was actually what happened. So immediately as everything just swapped and the race, I noticed that it was going to keep pushing down, because yeah, it's visible like this. Now it was supposed to stop at around this range, right? It was supposed to stop at around this range. So I discovered that it literally broke it, right? It literally broke it. Now immediately as it broke it, it made no sense anymore to leave the trade when I know that I can just pick so much more from the market, right? So it made no sense. So I just had to remain in the trade and was actually just trying to watch it and things like that. So you notice after that, it actually hit this particular level, so which I just told you, after which we actually went into some trades towards around the spot. This was actually where I actually gave the buy signal, because I know that it's remember this particular spot here, it has to come back to actually retest it before it keeps dropping down. So it was actually this retest signal that actually dropped. So a lot of people, guys, actually caught this particular buy signal and they made several hundreds from just this movement alone. So that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. So if we check now, we should be having like 4 or 943 or so. So I will just wait again. I can't say now if I'll hold this trade for long, but I will just see again. I will just be watching it. If it actually gives me a nicer formation, that is, it's actually it actually comes back again to retest this particular stuff which I'm actually having here. If it comes back to touch this particular spot, then possibly I will add more trades because I know it's just going to hit it and drop back down. But then if it comes to this spot and then closes above it towards around this part, then I know it should then push up and the rest. So that's just exactly how we check this chart, guys. Okay, guys, so that's just how the stuff actually went, guys. That's just how the stuff actually went. Now, I had to just take the trade right on the road then, because if I didn't, I would have missed the intro or something like that. So the stuff there, of course, like after some hours, the trade actually took quite some time. But after some hours, you actually notice that the stuff actually went really smoothly. Now, it was supposed to hit an internal resistance there and pushed up, but I noticed that it actually broke below it and gave me some candlestick structures there, telling me that it was going to keep pushing down. So I didn't just want to miss that opportunity, so I just had to hold the trade there like that. So immediately as it went and hit the major resistance, the major support at the down there, I just had to drop the signal on the group there. I just had to drop the signal, and I noticed that many people actually caught it because I received a lot of screenshots that actually picked that. That was a crazy movement that actually happened on that buy signal, because it was a retracement. So it pushed up after hitting that particular TP. Instantly it started dropping down. You can check the Telegram channel now. I actually dropped it there. So immediately as it hits that spot, it continued dropping down, and up to now I'm still on profit just like that. So I will just wait again for some candlestick structures. If it gives me a reversal trying to go back up, then I will just go out. But for the now, it's still dropping down, so I will just be holding for the now and just be checking the stuff out. I actually said it on Telegram that, see guys, from on the 21st of December through to on the 28th, 29th of December, the movement of the market will be crazy. The movement of the market will be crazy. And I guess many already like sending messages that the stuff has just been crazy on the market. Like, guys are just speaking so much during this December period, guys, from on the 21st to 28th. So it's actually just crazy, guys. So just remember, if you are new to this channel, just remember to hit the like button, hit the subscription button, okay? And also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos that will be dropping out from this place. On this place, we actually release free robot indicators that you can actually use to mine from the market crazily, just like that, without stressing yourself at all. And so you can actually just join the team just like that. You can simply visit the website mrpfx.com, right? Also, they have some free mentorship that you can actually just simply watch and understand how the market actually works. So that's just how it goes, guys. It's a bye from me, guys. I'm Mr. P, guys. Peace.